Hey fabulous YouTube people, I am going to be unboxing this gorgeous box. So if you want to find out what's in here, stay tuned and check out the video. Hey babies, it's Kimberly and today's video is going to be fabulous because I'm going to show you guys what is I can't talk today, but I'm gonna show you guys what I received in this gorgeous box. I just love this box. How can you not? It's absolutely stunning, gorgeous. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. This is not sponsored or anything, like I said. It's just me, you know, appreciating beautiful things that I get sent because I was blessed enough to be able to do this YouTube thing and Instagram thing and all that. And yeah, I just figured you guys might want to see, you know, what a so-called influencer person gets in the mail. And this was one of the things that stood out to me. I get a lot of stuff in the mail. I'm gonna be unboxing that with you guys today. Also, if you're new to my channel, then where have you been hiding? First of all, and why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and just join my squad, you know, because I love to have you. And having that said that, blah blah blah, I can't talk today. Okay, I'm just gonna have to wing this one, guys. I mean, it's been a long day. I filmed this whole makeup look. For now, I'm just gonna go ahead and start unboxing this gorgeous box, and let's get started. So I do have to say it is scorching hot in here. My makeup is falling apart and melting and my hair is getting frizzy and all that, but we're just gonna ignore all that stuff because, you know, we do that here on my channel. I keep it real, you know. For those of you who don't know, when you do a video for Instagram or YouTube, one of those beauty videos and stuff, it's not like you're putting on everyday makeup. It's like you're putting on everyday makeup times 10. So I'm wearing like a kilo of makeup right now. It's not even funny. Like if you scratch your nail on my skin right now, my nail would be filled with all kinds of ickiness. But having said all that, and why did I say that? Okay, nothing. Don't get me wrong, I love the way it looks and I love the final result, but I just don't want you guys to think that, oh, you know, this is just, I woke up like this. You know, I kind of did, but no. Okay, let's just keep it going. Yeah, I'm just trying to say basically what you see on, you know, Instagram and YouTube, don't think that it's real because there's all kinds of editing going on. There's all kinds of tons of makeup and stuff, and it all looks nice and it's fun to watch, and I love it myself. I'm like a sucker for a good makeup video. But you know, to keep it real, honestly, I prefer my face without all the caked on makeup and just a little bit, you know, like a little bit. But today I'm wearing a lot, and I keep it real. I tell you guys all this stuff, so I don't care. You know, whatever, I'm a real person and this is the real channel right here, so stay tuned. Now, having said all that, way too much, this is the gorgeous box. It's from the Crème shop. Now, shoot me, but I had never heard of them before. Okay, no, don't shoot me, but I mean, well, you know what I mean. Anyways, let me open up the box. Ooh! It's pink inside. Now, I know I'm going to be using this box around my studio somewhere just for decorational purposes. I'm just going to start pulling out stuff and show you guys what an influencer person like myself gets sent from like gorgeous people like the Crème shop. Like, come on now, for real. They sent this cute little envelope with like lips on the back. Oh, hi, gorgeous. Yes, that's me. Absolutely. Okay, so they created these products with their amazing beauty mavens in mind. La. And we hope you love them as much as we do. They sent me love and happiness. They got their handles and all that stuff on there, and I really seriously appreciate this so much. Let's see. Oh, look at this cuteness here. We got your stickers. They are some really cute stickers that are gonna be really, really cute for decorational purposes. Okay, and I think it's all like, what do you call that? K-beauty stuff, so made in Korea beauty stuff, which I have no problem with. I love new products and discovering them. Animate your skin with the Crème Shop. I hope it's the Crème Shop and not the Cream Shop. I think it's Crème Shop, yeah. Animal masks. Oh, I love these. I have done these before on my Instagram. Yes. So that was in the box. Next, I'm gonna go kind of fast here. You know, I don't want to bore you guys with anything, but we got the brightest crayon in the box. It's a glow stick. Look at this. And let me just swatch it for you guys, like right here on the back of my, ooh, some serious bling going on there. Wow, this is almost like black light stuff, like, you know, it sure looks pretty on my hand. Okay, and now to the next stuff. There's a lot more stuff in here, people. Thank you so much, Crème Shop, for spoiling me. I hope this video is worth everything that's in this box, because, you know, I hope it's my way of giving back. Let's see here. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, and it's travel size, Crème Shop, and it's called So Shady. It looks so cute and pretty. Kind of looks like the shades I'm wearing right now. Here you go. Yay. Okay. So we got that in there. Oh, I wish I saw this when I made this makeup look. I forgot about these. Oh my gosh. 3D lashes. Crème de la crème. 3 times volume, 3 times length, 3 times dimension. Now, let me just tell you, lashes make everything better. I can't wait to try these, and you'll absolutely see them on my Instagram, because I can always use lashes. So all the lash companies out there, send me lashes, because I'll wear them. I love me some blah, blah, blah. Okay, I love me some great lashes. Next is, oh, this, can I just say I love all this packaging. I love the packaging. It's so cute, so, you know, very girly. Okay, so this is a blush. Good thing you guys can see the mess that I'm accumulating here. I got all the makeup that I'm wearing on my face lying right in front of me mixed with that. Why am I telling you guys this? Okay, never mind. Oh, okay, so you got this. It's supposed to be like a blush, a peach blush for your cheeks. When you open it, it has a little application sponge thingy. And then when you open this, what is it? Oh, no. Remove the film before using. Close lid fully. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, it's like a sponge. So you have to dab that in there and then apply it to your cheeks. That's different, right? It's like a spongy thing. Look. Okay, so 10 for cuteness. Absolutely. Wow. And then, oh, the packaging on point. Now we got Glitter Sweet Intense Illuminating Glitter Mask. This sounds like something I would absolutely sport on my Instagram. People are always asking me, how can you try everything? And I'm like, well, if I don't try it, how can I review it, you know? Oh, this is absolutely has my name written all over it. I see the bling, I see the glitters. So it's a face mask with glitters in it. Smells okay. You could see the glitters here along the side. And this is absolutely, oh, it says it's deeply exfoliating. Well, we'll see about that. But again, 10 on packaging. The watermelon jelly mist, which is made with watermelon, and it's ultra hydrating and refreshing. And this sounds like something I will be able to try right away. Look at this. So what do you do with this? It's ultra refreshing. It's a jelly mist. Spray liberally on the face and neck and allow skin to absorb. And I'm just gonna do it. I'm such a dork. Okay, my hair is gonna totally frizz right now, but this feels so good. It's so good. It's scorching hot, but I love it. I got it to work. No complaints. It feels refreshing. It smells kind of watermelony, but yeah. Oops. So that was really cute. Next, we got a double cleanse 2-in-1 facial foam. It's basically a facial cleanser. Let's see what it looks like. See, I want to see if it's really like creamy and stuff, so I'm gonna just put like a dab on my hand here. Let me just smell it. Oh, it smells really refreshing. It kind of matches the watermelon. It kind of goes well together. Oh, my hand feels really soft right now. Okay, and the last item is Kiss It Better Tinted Lip Balm. And you guys know I'm a sucker for anything to do with lips. Lips, lips, lips. Look how pretty that is. It's a pencil, and let me see. Oh, it's really kind of my skin tone. So it would be really kind of natural. Like, let me just put it on. I'm gonna try to put it on. It is super natural. It's super creamy though. I love that. And it's a lip balm. It's not really a lipstick. It's a tinted lip balm. So sometimes a lip balm is all you really need, you know? I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, I would say these items, I have not tried them myself. Most of them anyways. So I can't speak on whether they're effective, whether they're good or anything like that. But I do know that they look really, really cute. I give it like A+ for packaging. So if you ever want to give someone something and don't know what, maybe this would be an option, you know? That was my video for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys again in my next video next week. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you later.